Good afternoon, everybody. January Man 169 here. As you can tell, the 10 horse is no longer on there. There sits the 12 horse that will be going on. But before I put it on, I'm going to clean this up. And I've got some of that brighter yellow paint. I'm gonna hit this front end with that, make a chance to match it up a little bit. And after I do that, then I'll put that engine on here. I may not do it today, but I may do it in, let's say it'd be Thursday, because my schedule normally I'm at work right now, so I wouldn't be doing this period. I'd have to wait till tomorrow normally, but I had a doctor's appointment, and so I swapped days, so I didn't miss any work. And so let me take this rabbit trail real quick. My schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Those are the days I work. So since I took today off, I'm working tomorrow, it's Tuesday. The route I run, it's potentially an overnight run. And my Wednesday route, I go in at 4 o'clock in the morning. So there may be a little bit of a conflict there. We'll have to wait and see. But so anyway, I'm gonna guess Thursday is my next day off. I may have to finish this up then. But now that I got that engine off of there, I wanted to show it to you guys. I showed you earlier, I posted a video with this, right? That was the outside, obviously. You can see how it blew apart, but so anyway, prepare yourself for this. There's the big hole. And let me check this out. She spins. Usually, whenever I had a rod thrown, you can't crank it. What I might end up doing later on is, and that oil is black, but what I may end up doing later is find me a junk 10 horse Tecumseh and then rob the parts off of here for that one, because this got good carburetor, good recoil, everything on it's good. I mean, it was running great, and just that happened. So yeah, fun. I can't wait to get that 12 on here. I've heard it run. It sounds pretty good. And that starter, I may have to take it apart to get inside, gain access to the inside of that, the stud for the battery cable. Because taking that nut off, the cable just wants to spin, and I don't have a wrench thin enough to get behind the cable to put on that nut to help me out. So I'll probably be taking it apart just to get that cable off. And then we need a battery. And I'm going to need a key switch. I've got Mine is around here somewhere. The one I took out of there. Because I was considering putting or getting the electric start working again, you know. But my work area is a mess, and right now, at this particular time, I can't remember where I put it. Hey, Dad, if you're watching, there's that fuel filter I told you I had. Now that we don't need it, it shows itself. It's the way my luck always goes. So anyway, I just want to show this to you. All that nasty black oil. Oh, look at that right there where the connector rod or connecting rod where it rode at. That is rough looking as can be. Look at that. I'll rotate it around. Yep. Anyway, she's a goner. All right, guys. Have a good one.